Maybe join day by day.
Last class, so what you took?
We already started new chapter. That's it. Those are coming absent, not regular, then you will have the problem. We will continue taking the class. Okay, we don't repeat the class 4. Even you come to
Because
the
I
school
was
also,
outside.
we don't repeat. Okay. So only revision time, annual revision time, we may be rewinding all the lesson. That's all. Otherwise, if you are absent also, you have to watch the recorded video and you have to study.
And the class is started now?
Yeah, started. Okay, children. So last class we have studied about the skull. Okay. Richard, you were present in the last class, Richard?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Agnay, you were present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the function of the skull, Agnay?
It protects the brain from getting injured.
Yes. Okay. How do the skull is formed or structured?
It is made by bones joined together.
Okay, okay, children. So now we are moving on to the next one, backbone. Okay, so we completed the skull, and that is why you will able to see so many parts. Please, those who see Shankar, those who have you have observed that there are some parts which has connected. So why? Because this is another bone, this is another bone, this is another bone.
Yes, ma'am.
Here and a different type of bone. Yeah, so it is so many bonds are connected together. Okay, now we are coming to the next one, backbone.
Spine.
Yeah, backbone, or we call it in a thin spine. Okay, and spine, and inside backbone we are having another sensitive thing, spinal cord. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. We have studied that one, ma'am.
that also spinal
That's
cord.
the tail of the brain.
Yeah, it's a tail of the brain, and it is the connector connecting the brain and different parts of the body.
Nerves.
Yes, it is the brain which is connected to the different parts of the body. If something happened to the spine, then the person cannot communicate the messages from the brain to different parts of the body. So person who has a problem of a spinal cord, his body
Does not work properly.
he will get paralyzed. The person will get paralyzed.
What is the meaning of paralyzed?
Paralyzed means only you cannot move your body. You will just lie down entire life. You will speak. You can speak, not coma. You can speak and all that, but you cannot move your hands. You cannot move your legs, and someone should feed you. You have to lie down.
Okay, ma'am.
Why it is? Because why it is? Because the brain is the messenger. Brain tells you what to do, what to not to do. Suppose you feel hungry, your stomach gives a message or signal, and the signal will be transmitted from the stomach to the main spinal cord and then reach to the brain. Reaches to the brain. Then the brain will interpret the signal given by your stomach. That means you feel hungry. And then that signal will be sent back through the nerves and you will go and take the food to eat. So if you are paralyzed means the message is passing, but there is no connection between your spinal cord and the brain. Clear? So that is a thing. And coma is something else. Can you just mute it, whoever is speaking? And coma is a person, even he cannot speak, he cannot hear, he cannot see anything, maybe, but he will just lie down. He will not show any reaction. Even you come there, you spoke to that person, he will not realize. So only brain functions, but from the brain, the message may not realize by the brain. So brain is only working, but there is no responses or stimulus for the person. That is coma. But the interior part, the mind, the person will come to know everything, but he will not react. When you go to a person, he will be lying down and his eyes may open sometimes, but otherwise it will not open, but he continue living like that. Suppose as a boy, now 6-year-old boy, you are met with an accident, you go to coma stage. But your heart is moving, your heartbeat is there, your brain is working, but you don't show any reaction. So that is coma. But your interior mind and interior brain, everything will understand what is happening around this, but it will not react. And the food and all, you will give liquid food and all. So a boy who got paralyzed in your age may grow 10 years, he will grow like a man, even in that coma stage. That is, even paralyzed stage also you will grow. But you don't, there is no use of you in that life. So that is the difference between paralyzed and brain. Paralyzed man will come to know, he will speak, he will ask the things, but he doesn't move any of your body parts. Maybe his only brain, neck, head part can see. But coma person may not be show any sign outside, but here interior part will come to know everything. So that is the difference between coma and paralyzed.
Excuse me, ma'am. So if the messages are not sent, so how will the heart beat?
Which one?
If the messages are not connected, so how will the heart beat?
Heartbeat is not sending any messages, no? It is only breathing in, breathe out. Heart is only breathing in, breathe out. Respiratory process it is. Nervous system are the messengers. The nerves on your body. Neurons, nephron. You have learned in 5th standard, no? Nervous system, muscular system.
No need to control.
Do you remember? Do you remember?
Yes,
The nervous system. Yeah. So nerves are different. Nerves are the messengers who carry from brain to there. So when spinal cord stops working, that means spinal cord will not send any message to any nerves. So it will not come to know. That's it. But heartbeat is totally different. That is respiratory system. Heartbeat is connected to blood circulatory system and digestive system. So the food and everything get digested. Only thing is you have to remove, maybe the person may make the excretion maybe on the bed, or someone has to do some help there. Okay. So paralyzed person knows everything. He will talk to you. He will say that. Coma means no reaction at all. Heart function, brain function, but there is no responses. And if the brain stops working, we call that person brain death. So brain, a person who is in coma, suddenly the brain stops working. Then that is the time doctor will say that that person's brain die. Maybe her heart may beat for some more time. But brain death means no, that person cannot revive back. So this type of people's organs, internal organs, can be transplanted to other people. Those who have brain death. That is only brain stops working. But his heart works, your kidney works, everything works. But the person has no life. Okay, so that's the time the doctor will say that that person is gone. So you can use his internal organs, kidney, liver, heart, everything for some other people. So that is brain death.
How coma is occurs? Does a person
Coma may be due to so many incidents, maybe accidents, maybe some kind of a trauma, maybe some
Or
kind
else
of
if we lose
bad
too
thing.
much of blood.
But sometimes bad thing happened in their life. Okay, some people will go to coma stage due to some kind of a drastic incident happens to their life. Maybe someone attacked them, someone has a that kind of things. Okay, and also some time of major accidents. Whenever their spinal cord and all that get injured, but brain is saved, then that also can cause the paralysis. And heart attack, even heart, some people have a problem. High pressure, low pressure people have a chances of becoming paralyzed later. But they don't die, they will paralyze. Then sometimes we can carry that person, keep in the wheelchair, and you can bring it like that, all things can do. But he cannot move. He lose all his movements. That is the paralyzed. Coma means totally, we can't do anything. Paralyzed person can sit just like that in the wheelchair, observe everything, read everything. That's all.
can speak.
Yeah, paralyzed person can speak. Paralyzed means what? Your legs stop working, your hands stop working, and you cannot pick up a single thing. That is paralyzed. Comma means nothing. Everything lie down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So, paralyzed means our spinal cord is not sending message.
No, paralyzed means, yeah, the spinal cord may not be sending the messages. It is not necessary. It is not necessary. Maybe the message are sending to the spinal cord, but it may not transported through other nerves. Like something you met with an accident. You met with an accident, and maybe your legs, some nerves got injured, or your legs got injured, your hands got injured. Some cases the nerves will revive. The nerves what you got damaged, it will revive. In some cases, it will not revive. So those people, we have to do some medication, some massage and all. They can return back, but that person has full. He knows everything. He can speak, he can read, but only thing he cannot do anything with his hands and legs or body.
Ma'am, can you mute that voice button?
Whose voice button?
In right side. In right side. It's not working, ma'am. So no need to click it. It's not working. When we touch it, only it will work. One green thing will go.
What's the problem now? You did not listen to me, whatever I am saying.
Yes, we had
Then why did you say that?
mute the mic. They are saying to mute the microphone because when you talk, it will appear on the board.
That may be some problem, I don't know. But you are listening me, no? Okay.
Yeah, but it's not on. It's
Okay.
not on.
Okay. Shreya, tell me.
Ma'am, so you're saying the respiratory system is not controlled by the spinal cord, it's not getting any messages by the spinal cord?
Respiratory system is totally the system which is helping us to breathe in and breathe out.
Only that. So
Ah.
now we don't need any message.
Yeah, yes. Nervous system is the one passing the messages from the brain through the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a major nerve, and from the brain it passes. So it's just like a big pipe, and from the pipe there are small pipes. That is other nerves. The nerves which goes to your fingers, your hands, your legs, and everything. Okay.
Okay.
So it depends on what accident you meet it. So shall we now write what is the function of the backbone?
Yes, ma'am. We were
Actually,
discussing about
our topic is not spinal cord. Our topic is backbone. But backbone does a major work, that is protecting the spinal cord. This much I explained to you, that spinal cord is so much important to you. Sometimes you get back pain. That back pain may not be the reason that your spinal cord is not is working. That's something else. Backbone means suddenly something is punched you. Naturally, that there will be swelling on the backbone because it's the outer cover. Okay. Okay. So write down the second type of one, backbone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What is the function of the backbone? You have to write. Okay.
Ma'am,
And what is the chapter name?
You ask your friends. Now you are asking me what is the chapter name.
Body movement. Body movement.
After 1 week of class, you all are coming and ask me what is the chapter name and what class. You should come in every day.
ma'am,
Protects
your
the
life.
spinal cord, which is the important organ, connects the brain and other parts. So that's why we are calling like a tail. Okay, you can touch it to your backbone. You will able to see, if you touch it, you can see there's like canal like a structure in the middle. Both the sides is
Yes,
shoulder.
ma'am. Yes,
In the
ma'am. I
middle, there is a canal. That is our backbone, and it is very hard. But even you hit it, sometimes you get pain. Okay, it's not that much hard, but it is only protecting the spinal cord. But someone beat you, someone hit on the backbone, of course, you will get pain. And how do these connect? It is not one bone. It is connected with so many small bonds. Okay. So next point, how it is connected, that bonds. It is made up of, second point, it is made up of many, it is made up of many small bonds, and there's some name for that small bonds, vertebrae. Small bonds called vertebrae. Vertebrae. The small with what? Small bonds, the backbone is made up of. You call it as vertebrae. V-E-R-T-E-B-R-A-E. Vertebrae. Vertebrae is a plural. It's a singular small bone which is connected to the spinal backbone. That is known as vertebra. Okay. So one backbone. We have only one backbone, and that is made up of tiny small bones. We call them as vertebrae. Vertebrae is a plural, and vertebra is the one small bone which is made up of backbone. And it has got like earthworm like structure, that bones. If you see the picture, backbone's picture,
That is
you can
zooming.
see. Sometimes you can see some worms, no? You know
Yeah.
that one, what you call for that one in the during rainy
Earthworm.
season?
Earthworm.
Earthworm, no.
Snake.
Terta, what you call for that?
Yeah, there are so many centipedes like that.
Centipedes. And what you see whenever centipedes, when we touch it, what the centipedes do? They just crawl around. Correct?
Roller and make a circle.
Make a circle. That is only thing they are protecting themselves from the enemies. That's the
After
structure.
some time it will go
Yeah,
down.
it is just like a touch me not flower. Once you touch it, it will crawl around. Touch me not will faint.
That is a millipede, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, the one that crawls into a ball is a millipede, not a centipede.
What is the name of it? Because I asked you what is we call centipede also.
Millipede, ma'am. Millipede is different.
But that you will see different colors of that. One is brown, one is dark. Have you
Yes.
seen? So maybe depending upon the structure, some are very big.
Ma'am, and also red
Ah.
color.
Another one is called centipede.
Yeah, so depending upon the structure and they call these names. But all these belong to one family. There is nothing different in that. Okay.
And the one that moves very fast is a centipede, but the one
Centipede
that
is very
moves
fast.
is a millipede.
I'm not calling the poisonous one. Okay, that is different. Okay, some poisonous with that is. But all these are belong to the same family. Okay.
There are centipedes like the size of store.
Yes, of course. If you go to mountain area, you will see bigger than that. In
Yeah.
our locality, we will see small
In the
ones.
sand and all in deserts, there are very big centipedes.
Yes. Suddenly, when you look at now, you think it is a snake, but it is not.
This one is very big.
So, children, you can see backbone structure. Have you seen? It is just like those creatures. You can see. We can say they have so many legs. No, many legs. So, like that, you can see there is a small part. It is jetting out. Jetting out means moving out because that is each one is a vertebra. So, each one is a vertebra actually. All these things. There are so many are connected. Then it forms the backbone, and inside you will see the spine. Okay. So that's about it.
And what did you say about that insect? It's like the insect.
You are not seeing that Malayalam that in during rainy season terata we call.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay.
No, how do we connect that?
How do you connect? You look at this structure of the
Yes, ma'am.
backbone.
It's
So
like
their
small
body
legs and
also
everything.
you can see the ring-like structure. So here each ring is each vertebra. Okay. So many vertebrae connected together, you get a spine, backbone. That's what they're telling.
Oh, okay,
And,
ma'am. That ring-like structure.
you can see that here there is a small parts are coming, just like their legs. Okay. But this is all is a part of the vertebrae. So
And
1,
so
2, 3,
inside
4,
that
5,
there is
6,
only
7,
the
8,
spinal cord,
9, 10. Inside there is our spinal cord.
And cord.
So it has been It has been, why it is made in this structure, so that it will be protected. It will protect the spine cord, because spine cord is very gentle and sensitive. You have to take care of it. So
Ma'am, only
this
the
is
ring-like structure is backbone, and we can see the
full,
spinal
that
cord
is a backbone. Other thing is limb. That is totally limb bone. That is another structure, no?
also. Oh, okay, ma'am.
So that is limbs. It comes under limbs. Okay. So only this structure is not backbone.
Spinal cord.
Yes. Okay. So now we are moving on to the next one is our rib cage. So the third type of one, rib cage. You can see the outer cover of rib cage. So rib cage also protecting one sensitive organ, that is our heart. Okay. Heart, lungs. Actually, rib cage, rib cage is surrounded by a part which is called chest. Everyone can touch your body part now, no? You can see, which is on that,
chest.
below that. This is our our chest. So when you touch on your chest, when you touch on chest, can you see some of the sound is coming? So actually, it is the sound what produced by the rib cage. So outside is the skin, and inside is our rib. And inside the rib, we are having a chest. And within the chest, we are having lungs, heart, stomach, the part of the stomach, diaphragm. Liver is a part of stomach, not the part of the chest. Okay, but it is connected just below, just between the stomach. Then there is a diaphragm, and we also have a major parts. Mainly, the rib cage is protecting two major parts: respiratory organs, lungs, and as well as the heart. These are the main heart. And then there is another thing which is connected to that, esophagus, food pipe. Because you have the food, it will enter through. Then there is a pipe, it is connected to your rib cage. And also there is two pipe. One is food pipe. Another one is the wind pipe. And if you touch it here, you can see there are two. If you keep on here, one is your wind pipe, and next close to that, you will able to see the food pipe.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can feel it.
And you know that whenever you press it, you feel like choked to death, correct? Yeah. So someone just stamp you, that is enough, you will die, because that part will be air blocked, and if it is breaks naturally, you will die. So that is choked to death. So this is the people who is committing suicide, no? How they are killing themselves by hanging. And some of your movies, no? So violent. They are cut open this windpipe and food pipe. Yeah. So there are two pipes connected, food pipe and windpipe. Food pipe also known as esophagus, and another pipe will be also known as trachea. Okay. So, yeah, trachea. So we go to that part.
We have studied in the last class, ma'am. Last year. Yes.
Trachea, again you will see in the 7th standard, you are going to learn respiratory system. So trachea, we call it as windpipe.
Third standard, we studied the trachea.
Yes, then esophagus. This is another, it's a biological name. Esophagus is our food pipe. And all food pipe also is been connected to rib cage system, because inside the rib we are having chest.
Ma'am, what do we call the food pipe? What do we call the food pipe?
Esophagus.
Yes,
Ma'am,
it's
the
esophagus.
mouth is also connected, ma'am.
Mouth is connected, but this is first thing, mouth is outside part, far away, no? The main thing is, it's trachea and esophagus started from the neck, but it is connected through the heart, and then connected to the heart part, and then it connected to the stomach. So it is why our human body is very complex system. It's not easy to understand. So we are only learning part by part. Okay. So next year you have 3 chapters. One is about respiratory system. One is digestive system, and the third one is transportation system. Transporting system means blood circulatory system. So there you will learn all this trachea, esophagus and all. Now I just summarize this with the only important point that it protects. So rib cage protects the lungs. Lungs. Hello, who is there? Can you mute it? Lungs.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And heart.
Ma'am.
Heart. It also covers the entire chest. So mainly the lungs and heart are inside which part of the body? Inside the chest.
Okay.
So what you see first is chest. Okay, so first when you touch it, what you feel? It is the rib. And inside rib, there is chest. And inside the chest, we are having lungs, a heart, and part of the esophagus, and also comes from diaphragm also. Diaphragm.
I
for
think
breathing.
I
It's like a
thought
layer and
lungs.
layer.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I thought rib cage protects only the lungs by saying
No.
seeing its shape.
No, rib cage protect the chest actually. The inside the chest we have so many parts. In that two major part is lungs and heart, and part of the windpipe and part of the food pipe. But food pipe and windpipe is already starting from the neck. Half is out, but half is inside.
Ma'am,
And
I thought that
under the rib cage, you will get an arch-like structure. That is what you call diaphragm. So diaphragm you have learned in the 5th standard, no?
Respiratory
Breathing.
gas, ma'am.
Yes. In that you have learned how do you breathe in. When rib moves outwards, diaphragm comes down, and then you
Yes,
breathe in. You remember all that.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
diaphragm also connected to the rib. Diaphragm is actually little interior part of the rib. So rib has so many parts are connected. That's a major organ.
Ma'am, so breast also.
Yes, of course. The breast and chest is main. Breast is the parts what we call the two parts of in your male organ and female organ. Okay.
Excuse
Chest is the what you call it as the middle part of your body.
Oh, middle
And
part. Okay, ma'am.
middle part of your body. Breast is the one what you female and male is having two organs. Clear? And inside the chest, you have the heart, you have the lungs, part of the esophagus, part of the food pipe, and also diaphragm.
My God.
Yeah, yes.
There are so many things.
And not only that, blood vessels.
Oh my God.
oh, that is the many.
I think
Ah.
God made us very complex.
So that's why
Like a layer and layer.
human body, all our emotions are connected with the two things. One is brain, one is our chest portion. These two are the human, differentiate the animals and human beings.
Ma'am, I think so God might have told it.
Don't worry, I have to so much. You are able to hear me, no? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, some message come. That's why I wondered. So I am not going to much deep into that. You will by 7th standard you will grow. No, your brain will grow little. That time I will teach you. Okay, fine. So now we will only what you make it short. What is the rib cage? Okay, and here also the structure of the rib cage. Rib cage also made up of so many bones,
Types of
or we
bones.
call it as ribs. Ribs. Okay. So now we are going to write the structure. Rib cage. Next point. Rib cage connects. Rib cage connects the chest bone. Connect the chest bone and backbone. Front is chest bone, at the back is backbone. So rib is surrounding all this. Okay. So backbone together to form a box like structure. How it's a box means covering part.
Ma'am, if we just see the teeth, it's like lungs, both side lungs.
Yeah, yes, it is fully,
Ma'am,
not
there is
only front
teeth,
side.
every
What
bone
you
section
are,
is
what you are
semi-circle.
seeing is only front portion in the picture. It's a
Oh.
one dimension. So I will be showing you video after this, okay? Then you
my
will come to know.
Excuse me,
Okay,
ma'am. Can you
ma'am.
tell
But only
backwards
6
to-
minutes left.
Like the bone of that is like a semicircle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
After backbone 2, what is that?
Box-like structure. Bond together. Oh, I give little space together to form a box-like structure. There are 12 ribs. 12 pair of ribs. Ribs on either left side and right side. We will get a 12 ribs. Pair of 12 ribs means back part also 12, front part also 12, and left right hand side also like that. Okay, so that is what you call, there are 12 pair of
There are only 10.
ribs on each side of
There are
chest.
so many ribs in our body.
Yes. Each
Ma'am,
rib
we
is a
thought it
small
was
bone.
a small body, ma'am.
How
It's a small space, ma'am. How to keep all this?
Ma'am, how will this all fit in our body?
Fitting a body.
Yes, ma'am. How this all is inside? How it's managing inside our body?
Yeah, that only God alone
12
knows.
ribs inside our body.
That is what you need to take care of your body well. Okay, don't going on eating and so much thing and all. Just control your things. Clear? That's what I want to say. Okay, children. So now I just show you a video. So then you will get an idea. Only 3 minutes video, not much.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you show
That you will see in the now. Otherwise, I will not able to complete this.
Ma'am, so each side we have 12 pairs of ribs.
Yes, each side. So total,
Yes, yes, yes.
total how much will be there? So I just